Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Zebaracat. Zebaracat is an AI powered tool used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. The software has avatars. If you want to create AI avatar videos, you can, for example, use a URL and then the software can create a video out of that URL, for example, a blog post or an Amazon listing. You can create videos using prompts. You can design your own avatar, you can clone your voice, you can use a bunch of different tools in order for you to get a specific video that you want using AI. Some of these tools we have been exploring on the previous videos. If you want to check it out, they are all on the channel. I really invite you to go there, subscribe and check them out so you can get familiarized with how Zebaracat works and what it's capable of. And if you subscribe, you're not going to miss out any of the videos that we're going to be uploading from now on as well. Just as a reminder, I'm using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. And on this video we're going to be checking out another way in which you can use Zebaracat, that is generating a marketing video ad using AI. I'm going to show you how to pick a specific parts of the process for you to get a marketing video, and I'll show you the final result in the end. So as always, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Zebaracat's homepage. As always, these are some of the different projects that we have been working on the previous videos. These are some of the ways in which you can create videos. You can, again, translate a video, create a video using a URL. You can create AI videos and so on. You can even clone your voice. We were looking at that option in some of the previous videos as well. But as I was telling you, I'm going to show you how to create a really fast and concise marketing video. So if we click right here on create video, we're taken to this part of the process. So in this box right here, we can input or add copy, the copy for the ad that we want to create. We can do that in many different ways. We can create it ourselves, or we can ask another AI, for example, to create it for us. So I just asked ChatGPT to create a little ad copy for a new cell phone. It produced these 4 different options. I think I like this one the best. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it right here on the prompt part. On the top, you can select which language you want your video to have. You can select the duration of the video from 10 seconds all the way to 5 minutes. I'm going to select 1 minute. And on story style, you can select ads for the software to create your ad video. As I've showed you on previous videos, you can refine the script that you have already created in this part using this AI tool as well. I'm not going to be using that in this video, but you can do it and the software then can make some changes to the script that is right here. And on the bottom we have some example prompts that you can pick from. If you are not inspired and you just want to see how the software works, you can pick from all these different example prompts and you can click on this shuffle arrow for the software to create new ones as many times as you want. Now everything's looking like I want it to be, so I'm just gonna click on generate script. You can select from these 2 different scripts. The software creates 2 different versions that you can pick from, or you can regenerate them if you wanted to as well. I'm gonna select the first one and I'm gonna click on next step. Right here on this part, you can select the style that you want your video to have. You can select from realistic, line art, and all of these different styles. If you go to AI video, you can select the same styles once again. You could use avatars that are uploaded to the library as well. You can select the stock footage video for the AI to automatically pick the best stock footage for you, or you can mix the AI avatar and stock videos as well. I'm going to select this one, so it's a bit more dynamic. As you see right here, it's going to have video and avatar. You can select which avatar you want to use from this library. You can select if you have already created avatars in this part with your avatars tool. I think I'm going to select this one right here. And if I click on next step, we're then taken to the final part of the configuration. You can select the format of the video, 9:16, if it's going to be for short format videos such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. 1:1 if it's for an Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook post. or 16 by 9 if you want to upload it, let's say, to YouTube or Vimeo. I'm going to make it a short format video. Right here you can select the voice that is being used in the video. You can pick from a bunch of different ones in the library, from male and female voices, which with a bunch of different accents as well. I think I'm just going to leave Phoebe as of now. On this part you can select if you want to have captions or not. I always leave them on because I think that way your video reaches a bigger audience. You can select if you want to turn on or off the voiceover, and you can toggle on or off the music in the video. I always leave it on as well, and you can select the mood of the video from these different ones. I want it to be energetic, so I'm gonna pick that option. And on this final part, you could select a brand kit if you had already created one for your brand to appear on the video, let's say your logo and some colors that are associated to your brand. But first you need to create it, and then you can select it from this drop down menu. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on generate video. The software is then going to take a couple of seconds to convert your input into a video. So once the software has already rendered all the information, we're taken to the editor part. Right here we have a timeline that we can scroll through. We have the avatar on the bottom. We have the captions on the top. We have the voiceover. If we click on it, we can change it in this part right here. If we click on the music, we can also change it, picking from a bunch of different categories in the library. You can adjust the volume of the music as well. And all in all, you can edit the video further for it to match specifically what you want to have in it. If you click on any part of the caption, you can edit them. You can move them around in the video as well. You can change the avatar as well if you've changed your mind, once again, from all these other different ones on the library. Or you could change the media that is being shown on each specific scene. If you click on this scene, for example, you're taken to the stock library. You can generate images using prompts. You can upload your own footage, or you can select from the library as well using the search bar right here on the top. In any part of the process, you can click the play button to see how the video is looking.
Are you tired of phones that can't keep up? Meet Nova X1, where power meets style and advanced functionality comes together seamlessly in a sleek new design package always.
And as you see, you can check out how the video is looking up to that point. And once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export, select the video resolution and compress quality, and prepare your video for download. The software is then going to take a couple of minutes to create your video. And while it does, I just want to show you another way in which you could create this ad video. If you go to templates right here, you could select from a bunch of different templates for you to create your ad video. For example, if it were a car video,
imagine a world where the air is clean.
You could select this one and then click on create video, and then the software would use that specific template and it would apply it to the prompt that you write. You can do that with all of these other different templates if you want to use one of them. We just need to wait a couple of minutes for the software now to process the avatar. And after a couple of minutes, the software has already created the video. Let's check it out.
Are you tired of phones that can't keep up? Meet Nova X1, where power meets style and advanced functionality comes together seamlessly in a sleek new design package always. This isn't just any phone. Its camera sees what you see and more, capturing life's moments with stunning clarity. With all-day battery, you can go from sunrise to sunset without worrying about running out of juice, enjoying uninterrupted productivity throughout. The ultra-smooth display makes every swipe feel seamless, while its sleek design makes it a true companion in daily tasks with elegant simplicity always. Forget you're even wearing it completely. That's how seamless the Nova X1 experience is. It's not just a phone, it's your personal tech revolution now. Redefine what a phone can be. Get your Nova X1 today and experience the future of smartphones with groundbreaking features and revolutionary design completely.
And this is the final video that the software creates. As you see, it adds a bunch of different media for it to match what is being said in that part of the script. It added the cell phone, it added cameras for it to emphasize that the cell phone has very good cameras. And all in all, it's a very usable ad video. You can always filter information and you can edit it so it matches your vision. As you see, creating an ad video using Zebaracat is really easy and fast. The software is really intuitive. You can use it without any prior knowledge of how the software works. Once again, we have created a bunch of different videos on this software on the channel already. If you want to check them out, I really invite you to go to the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out any of them. Once again, my name is Santiago, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.